Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can do cardless withdrawals with Westpac. In order to do so, here we are at westpac.com.au, and according to the official website, as part of continually reviewing our products and service, Westpac no longer offers the cardless cash withdrawal feature. You can still make cash withdrawals free of ATM machines at over 7,000 ATMs across Australia and access card transactions at more than 500 branches nationwide, regardless of whether you're bank with Westpac, St. George, Bank SA, or Bank of Melbourne. You can also complete cash transactions through bank at Post at more than 3,400 Australia Post outlets. Alternatively, if you leave home without your physical card, you can enroll your card to your smart device digital wallet to pay in store and online, or send and receive money in real time using online banking via payments, pay with PayID, or pay someone using Payee's. Cardless cash deposits will continue to be available. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested, take a look at the description of this video and you'll find a link to our link tree where you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as our top AI recommendations and promotions, including Sintra AI, Cider, and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.